Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya.
Jai Guruji, Shukrana to Guruji. A big Shukrana, blessing. I'm standing here sharing satsang with you all. It's been a while, as I was mentioning, when Aarti was talking to me. So, lots of blessings. बहुत चीज़ें हैं शुक्राना करने के लिए. Good family, good wife, good kid. We are blessed कि मम्मी हमारे साथ रहते हैं. And then the biggest blessing is this badge I'm wearing. I proudly wears as a Sevadar. It's the biggest, I think, for all of Sevadars here. It's the biggest identity we have. So I start a little bit with the starting, like how we connected and all those. So we got Guruji's Darbar. We got connected here in 2011. So it's about 13 years since we are coming, and the biggest blessings थी कि हम आते रहे. कुछ लोग मिले जो उस टाइम में आ रहे थे and then they stopped coming. But गुरुजी की कृपा रही कि हम आते रहे, गुरुजी बुलाते रहे week after week. I was just this Thursday, Sunday, because I'm in Seva all the time, so इतना बैठने को नहीं मिलता. तो थर्सडे को आई वॉज सिटिंग हेयर इन सत्संग एंड ऐसे पहले ध्यान में था, तो उसके बाद आंखें खुली तो आई सी लाइक लॉट ऑफ स्मॉल बेबीज आर कमिंग एंड देन माथा टेक रहे हैं. तो ऐसे देयर वाज अ थॉट इन माइंड कि these kids are very blessed कि since this age they start coming to Guruji. And then I just start thinking about our journey. So we are so blessed also, like Ara was 5 years of age when he start coming, and since 13 years he's coming. He's now 18, going to college this year. So गुरुजी का शुक्राना है कि गुरुजी ने उसको भी कनेक्टेड रखा अपने साथ. And I think as a parent we feel like कि हम क्या लेगेसी में दे के जाएंगे अपने बच्चों को. सो मुझे नहीं लगता कि देयर इज़ एनीथिंग बिगर देन दिस दरबार वी कैन और गुरुजी का साथ वी कैन गिव इट टू अवर किड्स. बिकॉज द ओनली थिंग इज़ लाइक बट आई फील लाइक मे बी उनको समझ आए नहीं आए, बट वो आते रहे तो समहाउ लाइक सबकॉन्शियसली उनके माइंड में देर इज़ अ कनेक्शन, देर इज़ समथिंग कि गुरुजी का कोई रोल है हमारी लाइफ में. So this is the biggest I think blessing. So I was just thinking about that. And then these last 13 years I'll briefly talk about my learning from the Guruji Darbar जो मुझे सीखने को मिला. And I mean, frankly speaking, learning never stops here. Every time you come, that's why it's important to keep coming कि जब भी हम आते हैं something new which we learn from this दरबार. So सबसे पहले तो like आज जो शब्द प्ले किया अंकल ने, the last story was like कि नीवियाँ को फल लगते. So that is the biggest learning. The in every day जितना हम कम होते जाएं, the less we become every day. I think more we become. So instead of trying to become more, try to become less every day. So this is one of the biggest learning I can say. Then another thing is, our behavior when come as a sangat. जब हम दरबार में आते हैं, so as we are in the mandir, we should be like that everywhere. It should not be like कि once you step inside the mandir that you are like just folding your hands to everybody saying Jai Guruji, and then when you are somewhere else in some other kind of settings you are behaving different way. So I think like this is I think a biggest responsibility. as a संगत also कि wherever we go, लोगों को पता चलना चाहिए दूर से कि ये किसी गुरु के संगत है. It should not be like कि like लोग कहें कि ओ ये मंदिर में तो different था और यहाँ पे different है, he's behaving differently. So I think that is another, I mean, I'm not 100% there, but I'm trying, I keep trying every time. So this is another blessing. And then another thing is like, as Aarti was also mentioning, like faith and surrender is another, I mean, that is definitely very small words, but achieve karna is very difficult. We should keep trying. That जो वो कर रहे हैं आई थिंक वही बेस्ट है हमारे लिए, तो उनकी रज़ा में राज़ी. समटाइम्स वी फील लाइक कि ये मेरे लिए ठीक नहीं था, वाई मी, वाई दिस हैपन टू मी, बट आई थिंक ही हैज़ a different plan for everybody. So just accept what he's giving and how he's giving. So at the end of the day, all will be good. So Shukrana Guruji, and the biggest blessing which I ask कि जैसे अभी तक बुलाते रहे, just keep calling us every time, चाहे हम जितने बिजी हों अपनी लाइफ में, but at least we can come to this दरबार और आपके चरणों से जुड़े रहें. तो जय गुरु जी, थैंक यू.